Hello. Today we are at second episode of a trick for counting geometrical shape. I would recommend you to watch first episode on my channel, but you can start from this episode too. Concept is very similar, but with different kind of pattern. After watching complete video, I assure you that most of the viewers will be able to find answer of any counting figure, especially mentioned in this video in 10 seconds. Let's start with very simple example. Here you can see few triangles, but they are inside a square box as appear in this geometrical shape. So again we have to find number of triangles by using trick in 10 seconds. Simple shortcut technique is just to find visible triangles. Here you can see. Now you just have to multiply, like you have 4 visible triangle, multiply 4 by 2 and that's it. Your answer is 8. Here we can also verify. So now we will move to very similar shape. And I know that you can predict answer in few seconds. Here you can see 8 visible triangles. So same concept, you will multiply 8 by 2 and your answer is 16. That's it. And here we can verify. Now move on to the next slide. Here you have 2 square boxes. Our trick will be same, but we will solve first square box and later the second one, but it will be very quick. So here this is a visible triangle. So this one is an inner square box. You just get, it means you have 16 triangle in inner box. So with the same technique, you multiply 8 by 2 and you get 16. Now we look at the second, which is outer square box. Here the visible triangle, and you have here again 8 triangles. Same thing, you get 16. Add these two numbers, it means you have total 32 triangles. And here we can verify. Now we move on to next slide. This is very simple triangle. In these kind of triangles, you only have to focus horizontal lines. So here I have 3 horizontal lines, which means I will have 3 triangles. That's it. And here we can verify. Again, in the next similar shape, we have 5 horizontal lines. So our answer is 5. And here we can verify. So it's very simple, you can see. Now we move to the next slide. So here it's an interesting geometrical shape in which we have triangle inside triangle. So always remember, this inside triangle will make one triangle and this outer triangle will make four triangle. So it will be like 1 plus 4. Simple. If you have more triangle inside, it will be 1 plus 4 plus 4. So let's see. This is the first one. And you have 4 from the second one. And here 1 plus 4. And here we can verify. So the inner triangle I have mentioned with blue color, and outer triangle which is making 4 triangle I have mentioned with red color. Now we move to the next slide, which is very similar. So this is very interesting. Now you have here 3 triangle. First one, it will make 1. Second one, it will make 4 triangles. And third one, it will make 4 triangles. So again, same concept, 1 plus 4 plus 4. So total triangles are 9. And here we can verify. So here you can see I use the different colors. This first one, the smaller triangle is making 1, the second triangle is making 4, and the third one is making 4. Now we move to the next slide. I'm sure you predict already 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this first one is making 1, then this one is making 4, and then this one is making 4, and then this one is making 4. So it's same formula, 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, because we have all together 4. So this is for the first one, second, third, and fourth. Answer is 13. And here I can verify. And again, here you can see the different color I use just to explain that how these triangles are formed. Thank you for your time. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Keep watching creative videos from Cool Learning Solution. Thank you. Bye.